Alright, what is up guys? This is episode 2 of Project Talon and removing the carpet. As you can see right here, I'm soaking it with some degreaser. I'm pretty sure it was Pro Power, and I'm pressure washing it. I did it a total of 3 times. I did manage right there to pressure wash it too close to the carpet and did mess up a little bit. Me and my dad hooked it up to a hoop of my basketball court, and he continued pressure washing it as I was just the backup boy. And then right here you can see that I start holding it soon in the time lapse. If it looks like I'm like trying to get wet, it was because we were literally freezing out there. I recorded this video in January and now I'm uploading it in February, so I'm behind schedule, but we got it. Alright guys, so I started around what, 10 maybe, and it is now I think 6. So let's see, 1 to 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 hours to wash it, take it. We'll finish taking it out, and that's pretty much it. I washed it a total of 4 times, 2 with the Purple Power, 1 with Dawn, and then again with Purple Power, where you guys saw my dad cleaning it. I'm not going to lie, I needed the help. All right, well, I'll talk to you guys later. Cinematic shot. Alright guys, so I finally finished vacuuming it. Got the tote right here that I'm gonna, is that what they call it? Tote. I'm gonna submerge it in there instead of actually spraying it down. I'm gonna use the 3 bottles of red I have over there and try to submerge it all in there and then leave it for. Alright guys, so before let me just cut in the video right here. So usually what happened is I was explaining in that video, part of the video, what I did and how I was gonna dye it. So just completely ignore what I say till I get to the part where I talk about what happened in that part of the video and the experience I had with the tote and the dye. So just ignore that. I just decided to keep it in the video so you guys could see for my mistake and error, and so you guys wouldn't have the same problem with me. And you don't really get to see this part of, I guess, YouTube creators, of them making errors and then not showing you how they made it. They usually just cut it out of the video. But I decided to keep it in a video so you guys can see what I did and how I messed up, and it makes it seem like giving you guys the truth for everything I do in my videos by showing you my mistakes. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The reason only I kept it in the video. If not, I would have just cut it like how other YouTubers usually tend to do. So that's pretty much why I decided to keep it, just so you guys see my mistake, and I can be 100% transparent with you guys, and that I am also human and I make mistakes. Let's get back to the video. Maybe for the rest of today, take it out tomorrow, and if it doesn't look black enough, I still have 1 extra bottle of red, and I'll actually spray that one on there. But I saw it on the forum, and they said to do it that way. It's a lot easier, or it'll drench the color in better. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm currently filling the tub with hot water. I'm grabbing it from the tub. It's cold, so hopefully it doesn't just get cold, which is probably what's gonna happen. So let's just cut to me submerging the thing now. Alright guys, so I got 3 red bottles right here. Hopefully this is clean enough. Looks clean enough. Hopefully dirt or whatever doesn't come off. Here. Pretty one. Oh, we gotta wear rubber gloves. I'll be back. I'm gonna put on the gloves. Whipped out the good old dishwashing gloves. These are large and they're already too tight on me. Wow, I need an XL gloves. That's crazy. Alright, so pretty much we just dump all 3 of these here. Add some hot water to the bucket. We're gonna shake well. I got the black one. I don't know, in case you guys didn't see the color, I don't know why I did that, but wow, these gloves are tight on me. Yeah, it's pretty deep. All right, we're gonna bring the carpet now. We're just gonna toss it in there. There you go. Just gonna let that soak in. Bring in the extra water. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna use to cover it so no debris gets in here. So yeah, because I gotta bring more water. I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. I'm pretty sure it's good enough, honestly. I'm pretty sure most of the fabric, the carpet is deep down, but I used half of the third one. I'm still gonna pour in. I think I did a total of maybe 7 buckets of water, but I might do another one just to finish filling that side up. But it's really dark, but you can see my reflection a little bit. Hey, there's me and Luke Skywalker. So I'm gonna grab another bucket. I thought I had finished, but I haven't. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I'm covering the top. Alright guys, so I'm finally gonna put the last drop. I'd say that the drop is about right here. That's how much is left. So we're just gonna pour it all around the thing. And that should be good. I'm just gonna move it around with my hand. Push the fabric down a bit. This is so hot. Carpet doesn't stick out. Oh, we have something on. Oh God, it's bursting. It's too much water. Oh no. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. As long as it doesn't combust, we're gonna put that bucket right there. And I'm not gonna move it no more. Just a tiny bit. There you go. I'm gonna put this rock that I found so you can weigh it down. There we go. And that's pretty much it. I will put other stuff. I gotta find more rocks. I'll be back. And I'll talk to you guys when I'm finished. Alright guys, so I ended up putting this metal that I found in the backyard that my dad had. Just one thing, we have a fridge outside and I managed to put it right in front of the door. So hopefully my dad doesn't need anything from that fridge today, because that's gonna be bad. I mean, there should be some clearance. Please do. All right, I can move the top, so it should be good. All right, fast forward to tomorrow. All right, guys. So it is. I left this. I don't. Can you guys are probably just gonna see my feet. Wait, hey, let me just get lower. All right, guys. So I left the tub. I put it on Friday, and I left it all Friday afternoon and all of Saturday. I wasn't gonna take it out yesterday, but I didn't have the time to take it out. So today is Sunday, and I'm gonna take it out. It's like 2, I think now. It's angled. Let me move this a little bit to the side like that. All right, there you go. So it should be really dark since I left it for 2 days. so you guys can see. Here, let me show you guys. For example, I don't know if you guys can tell that if it's just my eyes or the lighting, but it looks bluish. But on here it looks like discolored. Definitely right here is the only spot that it didn't get as much black in. So we're probably gonna redo that part or just respray everything, just see if we can get a different type of black. And that should be good. I mean, for example, right here, look, you guys can clearly see that that's like a blue. So we're going to respray it again. There are some parts like this that it's a good black right here. You guys can see it's a good black. So we're gonna do that again and just respray it again. I'm gonna go heat up the water, do another time lapse starting now, and it should be good. Trial and error, guys. That's all we do in this channel, I guess. That could be a good motto, trial and error. All right, well, I'm gonna cut it and time lapse it. Alrighty, guys, so this is what you guys have been waiting for right here. So I forgot to record the clip of me finished painting it. It's been almost 3 weeks since I painted it, and it's been in there just like sitting there because my car's still, we won't talk about that. All right, nice. Okay, so my neighbor's cutting the grass. All right, so I know in the camera it looks super gray-ish and like partially dark, but let me tell you, it's pitch black dark without the in real life. Like, wow, English is hard, especially when there's a mower cutting. Anyways, it's super black in person. The only spots that I will tell you are not black is this plastic thing. And that, for some reason, it peeled off. It's an old rug, so, and it ain't, in the camera it looks gray, but it's like a dark sort of navy blue. It's still kind of black. It's a shade of black, but it's not black like the rest of the carpet. Good thing I put another piece of rug over top of that, so you won't be able to see that as much. But like I said, all this right here, for example, line right here, it's all uniform in in person. I keep saying real life, but in person it looks bitch black, and it looks really amazing. I messed up with the pressure washer. I jammed the gun way too there, and that sprayed and cut the carpet. But besides that, it looks amazing. And the next video, we'll be talking about the headliner that I already have actually pre-recorded. So if I do say something in the headliner video, it's a weird timeline that I'm jumping through. But it looks amazing, guys. What I will tell you guys, what really messed me up was the tub. So do not do the tub method, do the spray method. It works a lot more better, and you won't struggle as much as I did. Like, oh man, I wish I could show you guys how dark it is, but it won't, the camera won't pick up that shit, I guess. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. To the headliner video coming out next week, more than likely. Right now I'm editing it, so yeah, that's pretty much it. It does look a little dirty because it's been in there, so dust and debris has fallen in there, but I'll vacuum it before I put it in. And then after the headliner video, we'll be putting in the carpet in the vehicle, but you won't see that till I paint everything else. So that will be the last thing you see probably. I don't know, I'm just going with the flow. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button and like button for more lawnmower tutorials, and we'll see you guys later.